Hey everybody, in this video we'll set up the best OBS streaming settings for smooth lag-free live streams on YouTube, Twitch or Facebook. So let's just get started. Open up OBS for that, and once you open up OBS you can go to your OBS settings, and within your settings you can go to the section directly for output. After you find output, you will be finding streaming section, so we can set up the streaming section. So you can set this video encoder to hardware, this one right here, NVENC, if you have NVIDIA GPU. If not that, you can even do this one right here, software into 264. And encoder preset, you can just go and set it to high quality if you want more quality, and do so. For bitrate, we have this option right here, 2500. So if you are going to stream for Twitch, you can set it to 6000 kbps. For YouTube, 4500 to 6000 kbps, and for 720p you can set to 3000 to 4000 kbps. And once it is done, what you can do is you can go to video section, and within video section you can set the base canvas resolution to 1920 into 1080 to your screen resolution, and set the output resolution to 1920 by 1080. And in this downscale filter you can just go over and change it for sharp quality and set the FPS to 60 or 30, and that is it. Probably those are the solutions you can follow up. Those are the setup you can do so for a very smooth streaming. So we have now set up the best OBS settings for streaming. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.